Hey guys, JP here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do teacup. Teacup is traditionally a Tai Chi move, and pretty much it indicates as such that we're going to pretend like there is a teacup in our hand here, okay? And it's full of tea and we don't want to spill the tea, okay? So we want to keep our hand facing the ceiling the whole time we go through this whole range of motion, okay? So initially, we want to start by bringing our hand by our hip here, okay? Coming around, touching the outside of the back here, okay? Let it come straight up and over the head, keeping the hand face up again and right back into the hip, okay? So again, it's gonna look a little something like this. In, behind the back, can bend over, keep that hand flat, and bring it around and right back in, okay? Super easy. And then we can actually do the other way too, keeping it out and around, right back in towards the hips, and then boom, done, okay? Very easy. I know it probably looks a little complicated, but give it a few goes. As long as you keep your hand facing the ceiling and you pretty much just bring it around you, that's all it is. Super easy, okay? Thanks so much for watching, guys.